In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your PlayStation Plus subscription here on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But go ahead and hit the PlayStation button just like so and make sure that you are in a section that looks like this. If you scroll over, you're going to see a PlayStation Plus section over here. Scroll down a little bit and then scroll up to the top and you're going to see three little dots up at the very top. Go ahead and select that and you're going to see a page that looks something like this. In this section, you're going to see a tab that says manage subscription if you currently have a PlayStation Plus subscription. I actually don't have one, but usually it would be up at the very top right here. Essentially, select that, you'd see your current PlayStation Plus plan, including the start date and the renewal date, and you would just have to hit cancel subscription. Now, PlayStation may show a warning about, what you might lose after canceling, like monthly games or, different benefits. Just confirm that cancellation and your PlayStation Plus subscription will be set to end. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do, leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.